The Biden regime is talking about implementing an unrealized capital gains tax. Now, the way this would work is if you own an asset like, say, your house, and it theoretically goes up in value, you would have to pay taxes on the speculated increase in value. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking.
This new tax would apply solely to people with at least $1 billion in assets.
But you don't actually believe that, do you? There was no permanent income tax until 1916 when they levied a 7% income tax, ostensibly just to pay for our participation in World War I. But 2 years later, the top marginal tax rate had been increased to 77% because they're never satisfied, and the marginal tax rate went from a tool to fund the government to
a social justice program to make sure that everybody pays their fair share.
Never forget that the top 1% that you rightfully despise have way more pull with the government than you ever will, and they can and will hire lobbyists to write loopholes and move their wealth offshore and hide their income so that they're going to dodge all this stuff, but before too long, you're going to be eaten alive.